ARK network has been around beginning around 2017 and has confronted fierce opposition from arising blockchains like Solana, Polkadot, and Algorand. The organization is relying upon its engineers to keep making greater utility for its local area. To stay aware of the market, ARK will expect to improve to draw in additional clients and designers. The ARK Layer 1 arrangements have a developing client base with 51 validators. ARK accepts they will assemble the future around open monetary frameworks, similarly enabling all economies. ARK engages designers to fabricate the fate of Web3 through broad engineer abundance programs. ARK is an organization with impassioned conviction, strike establishment, and base code to make this vision a reality. The present ARK cost is $0.382538, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,132,122. ARK is down 6.38% as of now. The ongoing CoinMarketCap positioning is number 349, with a live market cap of $54,047,084. It has a circling supply of 141,285,520 ARK coins and a maximum supply isn't accessible. What is ARK? ARK is important for a group of Layer 1 coins that are local area possessed. Layer 1 implies that ARK crypto runs on its blockchain, the ARK blockchain. ARK follows the strides of the popular Ethereum, which has a critical worth to decentralized applications. ARK has an extending biological system of ARK-fueled blockchains and decentralized applications. ARK has something for everybody, from crypto amateurs to Web3 senior engineers. ARK intends to turn into the most well-known and used decentralized network in the crypto space. ARK Outline. The ARK coin is the local badge of the ARK blockchain network. The ARK organization is the first ARK center-based blockchain with a completely decentralized network run by 51 validators and a multitude of fans. ARK Center is a TypeScript-based, open-source, Layer 1 blockchain convention worked to be straightforward and effective. The organization highlights incorporate eco-accommodating POS agreement, expandable, measured codebase, and an adjustable exchange rationale. As per CoinMarketCap, ARK has an all-out supply of 161,278,856 with around 141,276,529.65 ARK available for use. ARK Value History. ARK held its underlying coin, ICO, presenting on November 7, 2016 at 1 cent. The ICO raised $998,000. CoinMarketCap demonstrates the principal ARK cost of $0.058 in WAC 2017. In January 2018, the ARK cost flooded with a high exchanging volume. The high take-up pushed ARK to its record-breaking exorbitant cost of $10.91 on January 9, 2018. The present ARK cost is 96.60% underneath its ADH. ARK recorded its least cost on 22 WAC 2017 at $0.03014. This year, ARK opened at $1.17. ARK broke the help 4 months after the fact to a consistent bear run. ARK is down 65% from the year's initial cost. ARK Specialized Investigation. ARK has been descending since April and moved into oversold region a few times. In August, ARK exchanged near overbought region and dropped in September. The William Crock pattern lines recommend costs will travel south for the time being. The MACD histograms show ARK little value force to the disadvantage. ARK Value Forecast 2022. The ARK token's cost expectation for 2022 is 50 cents. ARK had performed ineffectively this year, losing more than 65% of its worth. Many Layer 1 coins have shared the feeling in the crypto markets. ARK computerized coins will be bullish in the following run and exchange somewhere in the range of 48 cents and 51 cents. ARK Value Expectation 2023. The ARK token's cost expectation for 2023 is 74 cents. ARK is following the case of Ethereum, which has amassed a significant following, including famous people like Vitalik Buterin. ARK is changing out via online entertainment advertising to develop its local area. ARK worth will arrive at the very least value worth of 72 cents and a limit of 85 cents. ARK Value Forecast 2024. The ARK token's cost expectation for 2024 is $1.09. The ARK web wallet, ARK Vault, is dependably cutting edge and can be gotten to from any gadget that can associate with the web. It likewise has record backing, and you can be certain about the security of your resources. The ongoing incentive for the year will arrive at the greatest cost at $1.24 and the least at $1.06. ARK Value Expectation 2025. The ARK cost expectation for 2025 is $1.60. ARK is making interests in decentralized applications. The speculations store designer in another economy in view of blockchain. The ARK gauge shows that future costs will go from a base value worth of $1.55 to a most extreme cost of $1.84. ARK Value Forecast 2026. The ARK cost expectation for 2026 is $2.27. ARK Vault has worked with an emphasis on communicating with any ARK center-based blockchain. Basically select the custom companion or organization you need to interact with, and ARK Vault will wrap up. Fundamental capabilities like send, get, and vote is underlying and will promptly resolve of the container. ARK's cost will arrive at a greatest worth of $2.74 and at least $2.19 in the crypto market. ARK Value Forecast 2027. The ARK cost expectation for 2027 is $3.34. ARK's essential associations and DeFi increment procuring open doors for the clients. The market finance organization empowers ARK with elements to give liquidity to its local area. The ARK coin cost will go from at least $3.25 to a limit of $3.86. ARK Value Forecast 2028. The ARK cost expectation for 2028 is $4.80. ARK has a boundlessly developing local area that is developing through promoting efforts. Organizations with enormous brands and powerhouse